My name's Braxton. I've been a lawyer here for about 15 years now. I have been in the law business though all my life. My dad was a lawyer before me, and so when I was growing up, I was always around law and law business and cases. I would come to the office with him on Saturdays and meet clients, and I would go to court with him anytime I could go. I can remember the thing that probably caused me to be a lawyer and then made me want to be a lawyer was when I was in 8th grade. My dad took me to a murder trial with him, which was pretty neat. I got to stay out of school for a whole week, and during that time I got to watch the whole case develop from opening statements and jury selection all the way to closing argument. It was a really neat experience for me, and probably from that time on I really wanted to be a lawyer. One of the most important things I learned from my dad was to care for your clients. Caring about your clients is one of the most important things I think you can do in this profession, and it's really the only way you can represent your clients in the way you need to represent your clients. And that's because, you know, while we have a lot of cases here, that client only has one case, and so you really have to empathize and be aware of what that client's needs are to be able to represent them adequately and appropriately. Probably the most important thing I can think of is being kind and generous to anybody that comes your way and trying to help those people that are in need of help. I think the other thing that is important is trying to do something for your community in general. I think you know, America has survived for years on the values of its leaders, and I think by everybody doing their part, that's what makes our country a great country, and that's what makes our, on a smaller scale, our cities and states, better cities and states when people are doing the right thing and trying to help do what needs to be done for the community, whether that's you know, working to do something to benefit the community in a professional sense, or whether it's something as simple as rolling up your sleeves and helping build a playground for a local community center or local school. I'm married to Jana Terry. We have 2 children, Alex and John Robert. John Robert is 7, getting ready to be 7 in a few days, and Alex, our smallest one, is 2. Alex is our newest addition. We adopted him from Russia about a year and a half ago, and he's fitting in just perfectly. We live out on a farm in Greene County, just in the edge of Hamlin County. I grew up on a farm, and being out in a place where we don't have a lot of neighbors real close to us is something that we enjoy. But I grew up in Bulls Gap, Tennessee. Went to school at the old Bulls Gap High School, which while I was there turned into Bulls Gap Middle School. And at that point went on to Rogersville, Tennessee, to Cherokee High School, and graduated from there. After I left Cherokee High School, I went to college at Walter State on a tennis scholarship, and from Walter State I got another tennis scholarship to Carson Newman and played there for 2 years and finished my bachelor's degree. I went to law school at the Nashville School of Law in Nashville, Tennessee, and got my law degree there. I was real fortunate while I was at the Nashville School of Law to be able to work in a law office for several different lawyers, so I got a different perspective of how people practice and what people did from in several different areas. I worked with other plaintiffs' lawyers while I was there, I worked with a defense firm that while I was there, so kind of got the perspective from both the plaintiff side of the fence and the defense side of the fence. One of the things we always tell our clients is to contact us, contact our attorneys or our assistants if you have any problems at all. We don't want you to spend a lot of time worrying about something that is going to cause your anxiety level to just go up and up and up. We're your lawyers. We want you to call us when you have a question or concern. And so if you're having issues that you're concerned about, please feel free to call us. Our number is 1-800-518-3779.